Welcome back to the TechTide Digital Lifestyle for this series lecture. In this lecture, we are going to study one of the most important safety topics in ship electrical systems, main switchboard protection systems. Protection systems are designed to protect generators, bus bars, cables, and onboard equipment from damage during fault conditions. Electrical faults can happen at any time due to overload, short circuit, insulation failure, or human error. If protection systems are not working properly, a small fault can turn into a major accident. In this lecture, we will understand different types of protection relays used on ships, how they work, and why they are important. If you are a marine engineer, electrical professional, or engineering student, this topic is very important for your career and onboard safety. Before we continue, if you find this series helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your colleagues. Your support helps us create more professional technical content. Now let's understand why protection systems are necessary. Why protection is necessary. Electrical systems operate under high power and high current. Even a small mistake or insulation failure can create a dangerous condition. For example, if a motor draws more current than its rated value, it may overheat. If two phases accidentally touch each other, it creates a short circuit. If generator fuel supply fails during parallel operation, reverse power can occur. Without protection relays, these faults would continue and cause severe damage. Protection relays detect abnormal conditions very quickly, much faster than any human operator. They automatically send trip signals to circuit breakers to isolate the faulty part. Protection systems prevent equipment damage, electrical fire, generator failure, complete blackout. So we can say, protection relays are like security guards of the electrical system. Overcurrent protection. Overcurrent means current flowing above the rated limit. This may happen due to overload, mechanical jamming of motors, or partial short circuits. Overcurrent protection relay continuously monitors line current. If the current exceeds preset value, it activates the trip mechanism. There are two types of overcurrent protection. Instantaneous overcurrent, used for very high current conditions. Time delay overcurrent allows temporary high current such as motor starting. This time delay prevents unnecessary tripping during normal starting conditions. Overcurrent protection protects generator windings and cables from overheating. If not controlled, overheating can damage insulation and reduce equipment life. Proper setting of overcurrent relay is very important for reliable operation. Short circuit is one of the most severe electrical faults. It occurs when phase-to-phase or phase-to-neutral contact happens. Current increases instantly to extremely high value. This can cause heavy arc flash, mechanical stress, busbar damage, breaker explosion. To prevent this, air circuit breakers are equipped with instantaneous magnetic trip. This type of protection works in milliseconds. The faster the fault is cleared, the less the damage. Short circuit protection is critical for crew safety and system reliability. Regular inspection of breaker mechanisms ensures proper functioning during emergency. Reverse power protection is very important during parallel generator operation. Normally, a generator supplies power to the bus bar. But if the engine fails or fuel supply reduces, the generator may start consuming power instead of producing it. In this condition, the generator acts like a motor. This can damage the prime mover and mechanical coupling. Reverse power relay detects negative power flow direction. If reverse power exceeds preset limit, the breaker trips automatically. This prevents engine damage and protects the shaft system. Reverse power relay is especially important in load sharing situations. Engineers must always monitor power meters during parallel operation. Over voltage or under voltage protection. Voltage must stay within safe limits. If voltage becomes too high, insulation of equipment may break down. If voltage becomes too low, motors may stall and overheat. Over voltage may occur due to AVR malfunction. Under voltage may occur during heavy load or generator issues. Voltage relays continuously monitor system voltage. If voltage exceeds safe range, alarm or trip is activated. Stable voltage ensures proper functioning of all electrical equipment. Regular checking of AVR settings helps maintain voltage stability. Under frequency or over frequency protection. Frequency directly depends on engine speed. If engine speed increases, frequency rises. If engine speed decreases, frequency drops. Low frequency can cause motor overheating and poor performance. High frequency can damage sensitive electronics and navigation equipment. Frequency relay monitors system frequency continuously. If frequency crosses safe limit, protection relay sends trip signal. Maintaining stable frequency is very important during load changes. Governor tuning plays a major role in frequency stability. Differential protection is mainly used for generator stator windings and transformers. It compares current entering and leaving the equipment. Under normal conditions, both currents are equal. If internal fault occurs, difference appears between incoming and outgoing current. Differential relay detects this difference and trips instantly. This protection is very sensitive and fast. It prevents major internal damage to expensive equipment. Differential protection is especially important in large power systems. Earth fault protection. Earth fault occurs when one phase touches ship body or hull. This usually happens due to insulation breakdown. In marine insulated neutral systems, first earth fault may not trip immediately, but it must be detected quickly. Earth fault monitoring relay gives alarm indication. If second earth fault occurs, serious short circuit may happen. Regular insulation resistance testing prevents earth fault problems. Earth fault protection ensures crew safety and system reliability. Summary or importance. Let us summarize today's lecture. We studied overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, reverse power relay, voltage protection, frequency protection, differential protection, earth fault monitoring. Protection systems work automatically and very fast. They protect generators, bus bars, cables, and crew members. Understanding protection systems is very important for troubleshooting and safe watchkeeping. In the next lecture, we will study emergency generator and emergency switchboard operation in detail. Thank you for watching this lecture on main switchboard protection systems. I hope this session helped you clearly understand how protective relays keep the ship's electrical system safe. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to TechTide Digital Lifestyle to continue learning advanced marine and industrial electrical systems. Also, visit our channel playlist section where you will find complete main switchboard tutorial series, generator synchronization lessons, load sharing explanation, and upcoming emergency switchboard training. Keep learning, keep improving your technical knowledge, and stay safe on board. See you in the next lecture.